presiding officer was removed from election duty on Monday after being accused of chanting Modi Modi at a polling booth in Ujjain, sparking controversy and protest. The incident occurred at the polling booth number 33 in the Ward 37 of Neelganga area, where the officer, identified as Aarti, allegedly showed support for a party to group of voters. This prompted a commotion led by Congress supporters outside the polling station. Mahesh Parmar, the Congress candidate from the Ujjain Lok Sabha seat, staged a sit-in protest and lodged a formal complaint with the district election officer. Hello and welcome to Moortiranga, where we bring you the latest election updates. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In response to the allegations and protests, the presiding officer was promptly removed from the duties to maintain integrity of the election process. The district administration has assured a thorough investigation into the matter. As per the complaint, the presiding officer chanted Modi Modi in front of the voters waiting at the polling booth. Upon learning about this incident, several Congress leaders, including the candidate, arrived at the center. The Congress party raised strong objections and demanded her immediate removal. The presiding officer, after being confronted, apologized and provided an explanation for her actions.
नहीं, वो करना ही नहीं, इनने कबूल भी लिया अपनी गलती, अपनी मतलब नहीं इनको यार।
आपने बोला कि नहीं बोला?
सॉरी बोला ना, मैंने बोला तो सॉरी, कान पकड़ के सॉरी बोल रही हूँ।
तो काहे के लिए बोला फिर आपने?
अरे बाबा सॉरी बोल रही हूँ, दादा मैं तेरे पैर पकड़ लूँ?
पैर वगैरह मत पकड़ो,
है ना, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे मन में भी
पर
नहीं।
आप हट जाओ, हम लोगों
आप तो हमको आप चाहिए ही नहीं यहाँ पे दिन भर।
आप बोलते उनको क्या?
आप मतदान केंद्र को प्रभावित कर रहे हो, आप मोदी मोदी करके।
अरे नहीं भैया, मोदी मोदी क्यों करेंगे हम?
मैंने आंखों के सामने बोला, मैं खुद लाइन में लगा था।
मैं क्यों बोलूंगी ऐसा?
मेरा आपने मेरे सामने नहीं बोला।
हाँ।
मैं खुद लाइन में लगा हुआ था।
अरे बाबा सुनो तो सही।
बोला कि नहीं बोला, आपने बताओ।
अरे बाबा गलती हो गई ना, वो भाई सहज निकला है, कोई हमारे को कोई किसी की कैंपेनिंग थोड़ी करनी है।
Police station in charge, Vivek Kanodia, also arrived at the polling center following the reports of incident. In response to the situation, Parmar and his supporters staged a sit-in protest, pressing for the officer's removal. Later, a formal complaint was lodged with the district election officer, which resulted in immediate orders for the presiding officer's replacement to ensure elections' integrity. Congress candidate Mahesh Parmar reported that the presiding officer at the Ujjain polling booth audibly chanted slogans in favor of Modi and the BJP. He said, "Our team members witnessed her making her statements," Parmar said further. Following their complaint, the district election officer assured strict action, including potential suspension. Parmar added that they contacted the chief minister to highlight the state of democracy in his hometown and the city of Baba Mahakal. A formal complaint has been also lodged with the Election Commission, which led to officers' immediate removal. Neeraj Kumar Singh, Ujjain collector and district election officer, said, and I quote, "The presiding officer was removed immediately after the complaint surfaced. She has been accused of promoting a party. An investigation is currently ongoing. If it is confirmed, strict action will be taken." Amidst this, BJP MLA Malini Gaur demanded removal of a polling officer deployed at voting station for allegedly asking the electors to vote for Nota. District election officer Ashish Singh said the complaint was disposed after the polling officer was found not involved in influencing the voters in any way. That's all for this episode of Moortiranga. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.